Welcome to this presentation of Introduction to Solidity Programming by Coding Bootcamps. This again is the introduction to the Solidity programming language, how to build blockchain applications using Solidity. A little about our instructor. Jim Sullivan has a bachelor's in electrical engineering and a master's of science in computer science, and also holds an MBA. Jim is an IBM Master Instructor, an O'Reilly Media Instructor, and a Senior Blockchain Developer at BC Webmakers. As a software engineer with close to 20 years of experience, Jim leads an expert team in blockchain development, DevOps, cloud, application development, and is a safe methodologist. Jim is an expert in blockchain platforms such as Hyperledger, Ethereum, and Corda. A few prerequisites about this class, which are not required but highly recommended: introduction to blockchain, introduction to JavaScript, and also Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB. The topics we'll be covering in this class are introduction to blockchain and how ledgers work, blockchain structures and types, blockchain operation and mining, introduction to Ethereum Basics, introduction to Solidity and the Remix development environment, the Solidity smart contract, and then Solidity constructs, functions in the Solidity contracts, and also making payments and completing transactions in Solidity, Truffle and Solidity contracts. And our takeaway will be a running smart contract using the simulated Ethereum node that ships with Remix. We will be able to see the transactions, and we will be able to view any payments or any updates. So there are some follow-up classes: Introduction to Blockchain Cybersecurity, Learn Blockchain Development with Corda, Hyperledger Fabric for developers, Ethereum blockchain development, Hyperledger Fabric for administrators, and Hyperledger Sawtooth for administrators. Thank you, and see you at the session.